Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install chess.com on your PC or laptop so you can play anytime, just like a desktop app. Let's jump right into it. So first, let's open up your web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for this. Now go to www.chess.com and log into your account. Here's the thing, chess.com doesn't have a traditional Windows or Mac installer. But we can still turn it into a desktop-style app using something called a Progressive Web App, PWA. It's super easy. If you're using Chrome, look at the far right of the address bar. You'll see a little icon that looks like a computer. With a down arrow, that's the install button. Click it and then choose Install. If you're on Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over Apps and click Install this site as an app. Once installed, chess.com will open in its own window, just like a regular desktop app. It even adds a shortcut to your Start menu or desktop, and you can pin it to your taskbar for quick access. If you ever want to uninstall it, just right-click the app icon and choose Uninstall, or manage it through your browser's app settings. And that's it. You now have chess.com installed as a desktop app on your computer. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy checkmating.